All right, we are going to do a tack-it method glitter on this, which means that we're going to have all the glitter laying completely flat without tack-it. So I'm going to be using epoxy, about 5 mils of each for this 20-ounce cup. So basically a thin layer, but not a glitter thin layer. We're gonna let it spin just like normal for 4 to 6 hours. And then when we would normally take it off, that's when we're going to glitter. And then as we glitter, we're just gonna wipe it off really, really easy. And you will see it works great and you don't need an extra product. So to begin, I'm gonna put on my mask. All right, so we have double checked that our epoxy is dry enough to take off of the turner. I've turned my turner off. I'm just gonna pull it out. So I have my glitter. And we're just gonna sprinkle this on. And we're just gonna start brushing the glitter away. As you can see, there's a difference. All right, as you can see, it's all shiny now. You can see a bit of the halo effect.